What's going on, guys? Luis Hernandez here with Sweet Lou's Black Dogtail Adventures. So we're over here at Aransas Pass. We got Chuck taking off. He's anxious to go do some fishing. But we got Chuck Garrett and we got Nina right here, and my little mini-me. We're gonna go and do some fishing over here in the Brown Root area. We're gonna go down Sailboat Channel, or we're gonna go hit up the back portion and then see if we can get on these redfish and trout that are sitting in these holes because the water's pretty cold. So they're looking for mud. It's something that's insulation and it's gonna hold the warmth. So hopefully we can find them and we can get on them and get on the board, because we're doing this couples fishing tournament. And who's your partner, Nina?
Jesse.
Jesse. Oh yeah, Jesse Godinez. And Chuck's partner
is I forget.
Okay, well, my partner is Kyle Logan. He's from Victoria. He won't be doing no fishing with us today. He said he's going to do some fishing locally, so hopefully he can get on some fish and we can finally get on the board, because the tournament started yesterday. So wish us luck and hopefully we can get on some fish. Peace. All right, guys, we're hooked on to like the third fish. The other two we didn't catch because my battery was acting up. But I replaced the battery and let's see what we got here now. So hopefully it's a nice trout. Yeah. I don't know, I caught two red reds. Ooh. Man, if I land this one, that puts me on the board. Oh.
Don't get on my new jacket.
Alright. We gotta keep her trout, guys. Trolling a Gulp shrimp. Probably about 17 inches. Alright, guys. GoPro, stop record. No, don't stop record yet. And a half. Ooh, it's a nice trout. Oh my God, that's a nice trout. Yes, yeah, yeah. Woo! Oh my God, this is a hog for a trout. Damn, tried shaking that hook bad. Look at that trout, guys. At least 20, 21. At least 20. I'll at least give it 20. Whew. Hell to the Alright, baby, I'm probably gonna need that that phone. Oh, don't want to lose this one. Ooh, 20. Every bit of 20. Oh. Yeah. Yes. All right, guys, we're hooked on again. This is probably 17, maybe 18. Oh. Yeah, 18. Come on, close your mouth. 19. Alright, we're hooked on, guys. Ooh, another solid trout. Keeper. Alright. Woo! I would have been one shy of having a limit of trout if I wanted to drop that 19 3/4 back into the water. But, oh well. It is what it is. This one wasn't getting off, huh? Oh yeah. 17. Look at his mouth to close. 17-inch trout. Alright, we're hooked on again, guys. Let's see what it is. It feels like it might be a decent one. Oh. Oh. This is another trout. With all the head shakes. Seems like it might be a trout. Ooh. It's a nice trout. Another 18, 17-inch trout. Come on. Alright. I'm not gonna horse it in. He's so close to spitting that hook. But he's not gonna spit it. Because I landed that sucker. That hook just came right out. He almost shook it. And as soon as I put it in the net, the lure comes right out. Wow. Got us another nice trout, guys. Look at that. If I want to drop that trout earlier, I'd have my limit of trout already. But it's the way it goes sometimes. I guess you can't keep them all, huh? You gotta pay your taxes. Your dues. Oh, what am I doing? I gotta measure it. There had to be some trout around here with all that activity from the dolphins earlier. Ooh, another 19 and a half. All right, guys, my phone, my GoPro was turned off for some odd reason, so here you go. We got a limit of trout officially. Alright guys, so as y'all just saw, we went yesterday, my son and I, Chuck and Nina Garrett, we went fishing over there in the Aransas Pass area in the sailboat channel. We stuck in the channel because the wide open bay was real low, and with the pedal drives that I have, we can't get into, you know, skinny water. So as y'all just saw, the water was all sucked out, the tide was real low. Late in the afternoon it started to increase. But anyway, they caught some redfish and they donated it, and I got a limit of trout, which is all right here, battered up, ready to go. I got some in the deep fryer cooking already. I got this stack of shrimp battered up, ready to go, and then on the table I got the deep fryer already warming up for the French fries that we're gonna make. So we're gonna make plates of fish, shrimp, and French fries for these needy people, and we're gonna give them waters today. We're not gonna give no sodas. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in a little bit when we finish making these plates, and I got them all bagged up and stuff, and I get ready to go and deliver them. So we'll see you in a bit. Peace. There you go, brother. What kind of water? I got flavored waters. And
which ones are flavored?
These ones right here. I got berry. I got orange.
Okay. Berry.
Berry?
Berry.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Yeah, it's fish, shrimp, and French fries. If you want some clothes, go ahead and just stick around right here, and I'll give you some clothes in a little bit.
Get a lemon water?
A lemon water? I don't think I got lemon. I got orange.
That'll work.
I got berry. And I got grape.
I'll take the berry.
Berry?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one.
Grape will work.
Grape?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Yes, sir. There you go, brother. What kind? You want some water? No? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. What kind of water would you like?
Doesn't matter.
Orange, berry, or...
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, man? Don't lie to me, Jay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Orange?
Thank you.
Sweet.
Red on the way.
How's it going? Berry? Pretty good, man. I hope y'all enjoy it.
We enjoy it anytime you come by, Joe.
Yes, ma'am. Regular water, berry, or orange? Berry? Okay. Sweet.
I take a regular water, sir.
Regular water?
Yes, sir.
All right.
God bless.
God bless you too, brother.
Yes, sir.
Berry.
Berry?
Yeah.
Berry-licious, right?
Berry's good.
Berry?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Y'all enjoy it.
Hello.
How's it going?
I'm good.
What kind of water
Grape,
would you?
grape.
What? All right, you took
grape.
you took the last grape. All right. What kind of water would you like? Regular, orange? Huh? Regular. How's it going? You want some clothes? I got some clothes that I'm fixing to get. Okay, awesome. You're not cold or anything? You look it. Berry, orange, or regular?
Berry. And can I have my husband's in the tent? He just his legs. He's in the tent. Papa's hand.
Yeah. Have him wave at me. Okay. Wait, because just to make sure, you know, because it's. How's it going, brother? You want water, orange, grape, orange, berry, or regular? Orange. There you go. Orange, berry.
Orange.
Yeah.
Regular water.
Okay. I got one last plate left.
Hey, wow. And I was next to the one who got the last plate.
Yeah.
Last people.
Regular or orange?
Orange.
Orange? Okay. Here you go, man. You want a water for him?
Yeah.
Regular, orange, or berry?
Orange.
Orange? Okay. Would y'all like some water? I'm out of plates.
Berry?
Berry?
What else do you have?
I'm done. On the water? As far as water, I got regular, orange. Orange? Yes. Yeah, I'm completely out of plate.
Have berry?
No, just regular and orange. Yeah, I'm out of plates. I'm sorry. I only had 19 plates today. Would you like some clothes? I got some clothes that my grandma gave. Okay, awesome. Would you like a water?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know what? I don't even know why I put the tailgate up. So that way, it's 3 bags. I don't know what's in here. Y'all can have all of them, all the bags, and just if you'd like, just disperse them amongst y'all. No fighting though. So there you go, man. Yes, ma'am. I don't know what's in here. My grandma, I know there's got to be sweats and stuff like that in there, but it's all women's clothes. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope y'all keeps y'all warm.
You all right, brother?
Yes, sir.
That's all right. Thank you for the effort.
Yes, sir. No problem, man. Y'all have a good one. All right, guys. So as y'all just saw, I gave away all my plates. I made 19 plates of fish and shrimp and French fries that I was able to go and give away over there at the downtown area where I usually go. The reason I chose that spot is because earlier this week, my grandma gave me 3 bags of clothes, and it had a mixture of winter clothes and some shoes and stuff like that. And as y'all saw, some of the females there could use the clothes, and when I gave them the clothes, they really appreciated it, and they were so happy. So before I close out, guys, I want to ask y'all that if y'all have any blankets that y'all don't use and would like to donate, or if y'all know people who have blankets that they don't use and they would like to donate, if y'all can gather them and send them to me, or if we can meet up somewhere so I can get them from y'all, it'd be awesome if I can go and give away my plates and also donate a blanket courtesy of y'all, you know, that y'all donated and stuff to me to donate to them. And it would really make them happy. You know, they're out there, and some of these people, they sleep on the cement, you know. I pulled up and I saw a bunch of them had tents now, which was awesome, you know. And he mentioned that the priest gave them tents, so that's cool, you know. So I would like to show up with some blankets. That'd be pretty cool, you know, and make them really happy. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode, and if y'all did, hit that like button. If y'all ain't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell on there, so that way every time I drop a video, you get notified and you can watch it. So I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope y'all have a blessed 2021, because I know 2020 was horrible for a lot of people. And God bless. Peace.